Welcome to Nakheel Offices, where professionalism and ethical conduct are of utmost importance. Let's dive into our code of conduct. Our first policy is about professional behavior. We treat each other with respect, regardless of our backgrounds, and avoid discrimination or harassment. Next, we talk about confidentiality and privacy. We safeguard company information and respect the privacy of our clients and colleagues. We're clear about the acceptance of personal gifts. No gifts or favors from those we do business with. Protecting our company's image and property is essential. Report any misuse or damage promptly. Ensuring health and safety is a collective effort. Follow safety standards for a secure work environment. Our social media policy is clear. No sharing company information on personal accounts. Remember, these policies make our workplace respectful, secure, and professional. Adhering to our code of conduct ensures our success. For more details, refer to the Employee Regulations Manual and don't hesitate to report any violations.